Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage post visibility on TikTok. Okay, first of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone. Then we're going to open our profile, so we can tap on the profile button right here. And you can select a post you want to manage the visibility on. And I'm going to go with this post. This one I mean. So we can tap on the post, then we can click on this three dots button on the post, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find privacy settings. This one, tap on the privacy settings, and here you can manage your post visibility. You can select who can watch this video. You can choose everyone, friends, or only me. And for example, I'm going to share this post to my friends only. So I'm gonna select friends. Okay, and now as you can see that the post visibility has been changed, and you can also manage the post visibility before you upload your post to your TikTok. We can create the post first. Tap on this plus button. Then, for example, I'm going to upload a photo. I'm gonna go with this photo. Okay. And if you want to manage the post visibility, we can click on the settings option right here. And then we're going to select who can view your post. For example, I'm just going to select friends. Okay, and now this post will be shared to my friends only. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage post visibility on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.